Hey there, Alex. This is the pre-owned Corolla that I was talking to you about. I wanted to just kind of go over it and highlight it with you, go over any little scratches or damage that might be on here. Grill looks pretty good. Got a couple of little scratches down on just the very corner where they might have caught a little bit of a curb. But that's to be expected on the nose. Going down the body side, the side of the body looks good. Don't see anything major. Don't see anything on the rear. And looking down the side, I don't see any dings or major scratches. That's wax. It looks pretty good. Yeah, like I said, on the very front, just right on the very nose, on the very bottom, is that tiny little bit of rash from pulling up to a curb. But other than that, I'm not seeing much. Like I mentioned, this is the sticker, and that was the original starting price. It's got 17,000 miles on it. It's an 18 Corolla, so it's going to get the remainder of all the factory warranties. Interior, very clean. Definitely does not smell like a smoker. It's got the half leather, half cloth interior, and I'm not seeing any type of red flags on the interior as far as dog hair or smoking or anything of that sort. Again, looks very clean. I'm going to check the Carfax as well, which I'm sure you already have. Has the touch screen. Of course, this is the SE, so this is the midline on the Corollas for 2018. It's going to have our Toyota Safety Sense features that gives you the lane departure warning with assist, adaptive cruise control, pre-collision system, and auto high beams. So there's a ton of nice little features in here. This is a nice, clean little car. I think you'd be happy with it. I think it would definitely be worth a trip for you to come down on this one. I am looking at if I can hold this vehicle for you if you leave me a deposit. Typically we do not do that, but being you are coming down here from Jacksonville, I didn't want it to end up disappearing on your way down here. So I am finding out that information. I would need to get a signed buyer's order from you until you get here. However, take a look at my video, see what you think. 321-254-8888, extension 274 is my number. And I'll get you that out the door pricing as well.